Hello guys, Sorin here. I want to show you another very cool tool that you can use to create viral images for your Facebook posts, and not just for your Facebook post, also for Twitter or Pinterest or Instagram. You know that people share a lot right now images that have quotes on them, okay, life quotes, personal development quotes, business quotes, leadership quotes, and so on. And this type of images are very catchy. People absolutely love them, share them like crazy, so it can create a great virality for you. Okay, you can have that traction, you can get that traction for your page, okay, for getting likes, getting shared, getting a lot of exposure for your business. So the app, it's actually very simple. You just have to create an account on buffer.com. I don't even think you need to create an account for this app, but I recommend you to create an account, a free account on buffer.com. You can create a free account for free. You can log in with your Facebook account already. Okay, why? Because it's a very powerful tool also for automatic scheduling your posts and different tasks that you can automate for your social media accounts. So the app is called Pablo. Okay, it's buffer.com/Pablo, as you can see here. Okay, its motto, it's very nice: engaging social images in 30 seconds. Why? Because you just enter on the platform just like that. Okay, and you just have to select your background. You have a lot of cool backgrounds here. Okay, for example, you can select this one, the night sky, okay, with stars. Then you select your dimension here, if you want for Pinterest, for Instagram, okay, or white for Facebook or Twitter. Okay, and you also have some effects here, contrast, if you want to be, okay, a normal contrast, or if you want to have a contrast with effect, if you want the background to be blurred, okay, or if you want it normal, or if you want it black or white or not. So I will let it be like that. Okay, I don't want it to be blurry. You can also upload your own backgrounds if you want to, but you have a lot of cool photos here, so you may not need to. What is the most interesting part is that you already have the quote here. Okay, you also can add a secondary text here, you know, like I don't know, maybe like a subtitle, and you can also add your custom logo. You just click on you just turn the button on, okay, for the custom logo, and you will need to upload something here. For example, we can upload this small icon, okay, which will appear here, and you can put your logo here. For example, you can change its size, its radius, okay, whatever you want. And then you have the option. For example, here, this is actually very nice. If you do not like the quote you see here, you can shuffle quotes, okay. It will change your quote, so you don't even have to look for quotes on the internet. Okay, you just shuffle the quote, you find the good one for that day. You just select a background, and then you just share your image. You can share your image directly, so it's connected directly to your Facebook account, or you can download your image. So you just press the download your image button, and it will download your image. Okay, it's rendering, and now it's downloaded. As you can see it here, it's a PNG image. So this is actually very nice. You can create viral images with live quotes and business quotes on demand. It just exactly in 30 seconds, maybe even faster. So this is a very cool app. I hope you guys like it, and I hope you will use it wisely. Thank you guys for your attention, and I will see you in our next lecture. Bye bye till then. Sorin here.